On June 20th, 2025, deputies with the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to a domestic disturbance at a residence in Milton, Florida. By the time this call was over, one woman would be facing a criminal charge. And she was already asking for a lawyer before deputies had explained a single thing. When deputies arrived, they didn't find one person to talk to. They found five, a woman, her ex, and several other family members, all talking over each other about a fight that had supposedly happened in the backyard. She had a scratch on her arm and dirt on her clothes. Her explanation: she likes to go swimming, go tubing, do a lot of things. Deputies weren't buying it, and neither honestly should you. Within 3 minutes of being detained, before deputies had even sorted out what happened, she was demanding her phone to call a lawyer. That reflex, that early, says a lot about how the rest of this night was going to go. She wasn't the only one who didn't want to cooperate. Within minutes, deputies were managing 5 people at once, and at least 2 others were also being told to stay put and weren't listening either. She told deputies they had no reason to search her, that she'd done nothing wrong. At the same time, another man on scene was getting the exact same warning: keep walking away from a lawful detention, and this becomes obstruction. For several minutes, this stopped being a simple call and became crowd control. Deputies separated people, asked them to sit, and tried to figure out who was actually involved in whatever had happened before they got there. She said she had anxiety medication in her car. She said she was having a panic attack. She asked deputies to turn up the air conditioning in the back of the patrol vehicle because she was, in her words, dying back there. None of that changed what deputies needed first: her name, her date of birth, and an actual account of what happened, which she was reluctant to give.
What's going on? Where's everyone else at? Okay, where's he at? Him? Where is he?
In the backyard with his mom. I didn't call the police.
I know you didn't. Someone else was concerned about you. Okay? Where's the kid at?
My kid?
Yeah.
My kids are good.
Okay. Was there a child involved?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
So who all involved?
Nobody really. I just came out here and I'm just going to sleep.
You're going to sleep out here?
Hell yeah.
So this fight happened back in the backyard?
It wasn't no fight. It was just you a fucking asshole.
Okay, well you got a scratch on you, you got dirt on you.
Yeah, I always have scratch. I like to go swimming. I go tubing. I do all the things. He's a fucking asshole.
He's being an asshole. What's his name?
I don't know. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Well, I'm here now.
Let you know right now. I'm not the person to do that. I'm sorry.
Simple.
You can find out before.
Okay, just stay right there for me. Hey, what's going on?
It's in my house. I don't know.
No, come back here.
It's just
crazy. Okay. I need you to stay right there.
No.
You hear me?
No.
Stay right there.
I ain't do nothing wrong. Don't do
Ma'am, don't talk to me like that.
What?
All right, you need to stay right there.
For what?
What's your name?
Why are you talking?
Okay, stay back there. Stay back there.
Bitches. I gotta get
Okay, stay back there. Hey, sir, stay right there.
Whoa.
You're gonna get out here now.
For what? What am I doing wrong?
Get out here now.
Just stay right there, right? Hey, what am I doing wrong?
Give me traffic. Step it up. Get out here now.
I didn't do.
No. What am I doing? Why? For what? What the did I do?
I'm going to detain you until I figure out what's going on.
You didn't do nothing.
Guys, what did I do? Hey, it was.
Hey, just hold on.
Everybody's in. Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
You're being detained right now because you want to walk away. Why? Walk out here.
Why did you throw me in handcuffs?
Because you want to walk away.
I walked up to the porch.
Ma'am! Get back over here now!
Why am I in handcuffs?
Over here! You're on probation. Get over here.
I'm not on probation.
Get over here.
Hey, why are you saying like I did something wrong?
Is this your boyfriend? Is this your boyfriend?
Like I did something wrong.
All right, stay right there.
Why are you treating like I did
Stand right
I
there.
didn't do nothing.
Why are you treating
All
like I did
right,
something
walk
wrong?
over here.
Hey, stop. Why are you treating like I did something wrong, sir? What the
Failing to comply with my commands.
That's first off, that's not a.
You want to walk back in the house.
That's not nothing to get in trouble for. That's not nothing.
Stay right there.
You have no reason to search me. I ain't done nothing. What am I f***ing me?
You're detained right now.
Hey, get my phone real quick and call my lawyer. Get my phone quick and get his.
You're detained right now.
Hey. Look at me. No,
I haven't done anything at all.
Fuck you.
Get over here.
Why can't you take me out of handcuffs, please?
What you do, bro? What the
She not in handcuffs. Why am I in handcuffs?
fuck?
What the f did I do? I'm over here with my motherfucking sister trying to breathe. What? No. What are you doing? I'm detaining you right now because I got too many people out here. Can I just sit by the car? I swear to God, I'm not no leash. Nope. Sit up here.
Please, the door open. Please, I'm claustrophobic. I have
sit up in the car now.
Please
sit up in the car.
What am I doing wrong? Why are you not?
Sit up in the car.
Why are you being mean to me?
Do you want to make you get in the car?
No,
get in the car.
I have anxiety medicine. I have bad anxiety.
Move your legs.
In my car. What are you doing to me?
Move your legs. What the? Well, when he doesn't want to comply with my commands, get over here.
No, I'm right here. No, I swear to God, I'm right here.
She's the one that started all
All right.
No, I didn't start none. I swear
Put your hands behind your back.
They're f***ing assholes, dude. I swear to God, that's on them.
44. Everyone slow it down. I got 2 detained.
because he's the only one that didn't
All right, get away from my truck now.
Yeah, just get away, bro. Leave us alone.
Which one's your boyfriend? Is this your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing. I swear to God. I'm tired of people.
I got 2 detained. Everyone else slow it down.
I'm okay. I swear to God. Please call.
21
Please call. Please call.
I ain't calling.
Please call him though. He knows
right.
me.
We got a lot going on.
It ain't no
Stand
lie.
right here.
Them motherfucking.
You didn't want to stand where I told you to.
Y'all want to be drunk and act like she
Okay.
f***ed around and got a f***ing hot.
I understand that.
They don't have
All right.
nothing to do with me. Call please.
You need to calm down a little bit.
That was my best friend. Please call somebody.
186, 1097. 10
I got 2 or 3 more people in the house. Can you try to figure out what's going on? These 2 are the domestic, and they're all involved too. So, put your chest against the car. I got 2 or 3 more in the house. These 2 are domestic. I don't know what else happened. So.
We're not domestic.
Yeah, I tell everyone slow it down.
Okay,
Please.
Yeah.
Bro, just God. Man,
I got 5 subjects, and they wanted to argue and not comply. So
I'm not.
I got 3 more people in the house.
Who's not compliant? Me? That's bullshit, man. That's bullshit.
144. I have clear traffic.
I was never not complying. So don't
So you got
do
stuff
that,
in yours?
please.
Yes, I got a gun and everything in mine. Is there somebody in the back of theirs?
Don't
No, not
say
yet.
that.
He just showed
I
up.
never not complied.
Wait.
Listen, bro, I work with the police, bro. Don't do that. Please don't.
Come on, come on. You're gonna sit back in the car.
No, I don't want to. I'm gonna show y'all what the f is going on. These people are green as f, man. Please
All right.
don't put me.
Well, you're detained because you didn't want to comply with anything.
Why didn't I? What did I didn't comply with?
I told you to stay over there by the truck, and you start walking up on us. Have a seat.
Because I want to tell you what's going on.
No, you're under arrest for obstruction.
I'm not under
What?
arrest.
You waiting? You're on.
Sit your feet in now.
You're not him.
I'm Sergeant.
I'm
Milton,
sorry,
Sheriff's
he's
Office. You're
not
under arrest. Put your feet in the car.
He's not.
233.
You're good.
Oh, they're both going to jail for obstruction at the least.
Hey, Labeer's right down the road. So
Yeah.
Please, sir, talk to me. I'm so hot back here. Please open the door. I'm f***ing dying back here. I didn't do nothing wrong at all. Everybody's a witness. Please, sir. Anything, I swear to God, I'll take anything. Please,
Stay in the truck. Do not try to step out. I got the air cranked up. What's going on today?
Nothing. She's f***ing drunk, acting retarded. We're over here visiting her f***ing mom. That's my sister. I didn't do nothing wrong to anybody. Her mom and everybody will attest to that. Please.
Who? Slow down. I don't know who it is.
Going tripping. Nobody did anything to her. She's just drunk. Why am I in handcuffs, man? My anxiety's so bad I'm
You've been
taking up
drinking
a
today,
heart attack.
All right. What's your name?
My name. Look at my car right there in the middle. I have a prescription for alprazolam. I literally am about to have a f***ing panic attack. Dude, I didn't do nothing wrong to nobody, man.
Hey, you're just detained at the moment. All right. I need to know what happened. Let me get your information
She's just
first.
drunk. Can you please listen to I swear to f***ing God, walk with you.
I need to get your information first. All right.
Hi, Lily.
How you spell your first name?
Why am I being detained though? What did I do?
Because you wanted to walk back inside your house. I told you stay there and you turn around.
I just stood there by the door. I wasn't going to go anywhere.
All right.
Yes, sir.
What's your middle name? What's your date of birth?
Can I please get one of my alprazolams, please? I didn't do anything wrong, man.
You can't take it right now, okay? What's going on? Why are we getting called for a fight out here?
I f***ing don't know. I'm in the backyard. I'm over here at her mom's house trying to talk to her kids. Literally, her son. Her son is coming to stay the night with me. I'm gonna probably have to take care of him, and he's gonna live with me. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay. So did you and come over here together?
Me and came over here together, yeah.
Okay. You have a child in
and her
common?
kids. Yeah, we have a kid together, and she has 2 other kids that are in there at the house right now.
Okay.
But those are my kids. But those,
so this is friend's house right here?
This is like family, but it is friends, yeah. But it's my friend. And she's outside by herself. You see where she was, by herself outside, drunk, acting retarded in New York. Nobody's been messing with her.
Okay.
Nobody did nothing to her.
Where did this fight happen at?
What fight?
Well, we got called here for a reason, right?
Who said anything? I didn't fight nobody. Who said I fight anybody?
Who was in a fight?
Nobody was in a fight. What are you talking about? Miss Katie was trying to detain because she was acting got belligerent. She literally just grabbed her and wrapped her up.
Who did?
Miss Katie did. That's all.
Miss Katie. Which one's Katie?
The one with the red hair. She didn't hit her or nothing. No, she just told her to stop. Like, you're not gonna keep on fucking damn sitting here acting crazy, throwing shit around in the house. Like, that's it. She was just too drunk. She ain't hit nobody like that. No, she's just being drunk and belligerent. Ain't nobody put their hands on her neither.
So, what point did you come into this?
I didn't come into nothing. They're over here telling me fucking like, what are you talking about? You need to take her home. And I'm like, no, I'm not dealing with that. You see how fucking drunk she is? I'm not about to get in trouble. That's what I said. And now I'm over here getting in trouble for something I'm over here trying to avoid.
Are you on probation or anything?
No. I just got off probation not too long ago. I'm not doing nothing wrong, man. I swear to God I'm not, dude. I'm over here about to have an anxiety attack. Why y'all got me in handcuffs like I did something wrong, brother?
Because you want to try to walk away from me.
I didn't try to walk away from my
stay there.
I'm fucking, what the hell? You're over here like, you came at me like I did something wrong. You see how crazy that motherfucker is?
I got a bunch of people screaming, and I'm trying to keep the situation from escalating.
But you heard
and
everybody say I didn't
away.
do nothing wrong. Everybody saying I'm not doing nothing wrong.
I didn't hear that.
Everybody up on the porch is saying that, brother.
Okay. Well, everyone's going to have sides, and there's
why isn't
multiple
everybody
sides to every
handcuffs?
story.
Nobody else fucking like is in cuffs. Why am I in cuffs?
I'm only one person, right?
I
one
understand.
person.
Listen to me. My thing is though, is it because like what? Because I have tattoos?
So what happened between Andrea and what was her name that you said?
Miss Katie. But nothing happened as far as no fighting like that. No, Miss Katie literally like just wrapped her up and was like, just stop. Like just grabbed her and like stop. I've known you since she was a baby in diapers, and then get mad like get your fucking hands off me. And Miss Katie's like, man, I can't deal with this motherfucker. And then she went and got in the house. Everybody else walked in the house. That's what happened. Nothing outside of that was going like, what do you know what I mean? That's all I seen.
You're saying she was acting up and Katie wrapped her up?
And yes, just drunk as hell.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So, drunk, she's acting out.
Yes.
And Miss Katie wraps her up.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And grabs her and like, you might imagine like, and you're somebody like your brother, you're somebody you love, and you grab him like you hold him and say, hey, stop. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Okay? I know it hurts, but it's gonna be all right. I love you though. And you say, motherfucker, get the fuck off me. You know what I mean? Okay. That's what the fuck happens. I don't know what
it was saying.
Yeah, so like, just get the fuck off me. You know what I mean? Fuck all y'all motherfuckers. Fuck all y'all. Y'all don't give a fuck about God. Y'all don't give a fuck about kids. All this and that. And I'm like, dude, all of us care about kids. That's her mother. That's her aunt. This me. I'm over here literally about to take her son with me tonight. Like,
okay. You
know what I mean, dude? And I'm literally like, I have fucking I'm the guy dad. She told me if anything ever happens to her, like, you know what I mean? That's why I'm here, dude.
All right.
I'm not doing nothing wrong, man.
For right now, put your feet in until we figure out exactly what's going on.
Can you just leave the door open, please?
No, put your feet in.
What the f did I do?
Put your feet in.
God, dog, man, that's saying so hot.
Hey, can you hear me? All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
I'm not being under.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Are you listening?
You can call my everything, like everything that has me numbered. You can call everything that has me on point. Not.
I'm gonna read you this,
no,
okay?
I'm mad because that is my sister. I hate them.
Well,
I
need to tell you this before I can talk to you, okay?
I'm not going to jail.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do nothing.
Let me read this to you first.
They need to go to jail. No,
are you listening to me?
Out there, bro.
Are you listening to me?
No, I'm not. I'm not going to jail. I don't deserve this.
You have the right to remain silent?
No.
Anything you say can will be used against you in court.
Tony Henderson.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before we ask any questions.
Call
and
somebody.
Have a lawyer with you during questioning.
Right. That's not right.
If you can afford to hire a lawyer,
I have a lawyer.
To represent you prior to
I don't have to afford a lawyer. I have a lawyer.
Okay. If you decide to waive the rights of
if you
decide to waive these rights by answering questions, you still have the right to talk to a lawyer or to stop talking anytime.
In the middle of all this, deputies let her make a video call, not to a lawyer, but to arrange who would pick up the children who were inside the house. Deputies were direct about why. Nobody wanted the kids ending up in state custody over a family fight. That's worth sitting with for a second. In the middle of detaining, questioning, and eventually arresting someone, deputies were also coordinating a handoff so 2 kids wouldn't end up in the child welfare system. That doesn't happen in every version of this story. 9 minutes into the detention, deputies finally sat her down and read her the Miranda warning. The right to remain silent, the right to talk to a lawyer before any questioning, the right to have a lawyer present, and the right to stop talking at any point, even after answering some questions. She said she didn't understand her rights. Then, almost in the same breath, she kept talking anyway. That's not a technicality working against her, it's how Miranda actually works. Under Miranda versus Arizona, officers are only required to read that warning before a custodial interrogation begins. Anything said voluntarily before that moment is fair game. And she had already been talking on and off for 9 minutes before deputies ever opened that card. Once the warning was actually read, she waived it on the spot. No hesitation, no request to stop. She told deputies her ex, quote, beat her all the time. Then almost immediately insisted she herself hadn't done anything wrong. Two conflicting statements, back to back, made after she'd already been told she had the right not to make either one. Meanwhile, the man on scene, her ex, the father of her children, had his own moment of almost making things worse. Deputies told him plainly, try to go back inside that house, and that's obstruction. He didn't test it. Instead, he stopped and he apologized. Not to the crowd, to the sergeant. He said he understood deputies had a job to do, that he wasn't trying to be a problem, that emotions were just high. Your level of your actions dictates my response, one deputy told him. It's a simple line, but it's the whole video in 8 words. He understood that immediately. She never did. He explained his side, that he'd come by to see his kids, that things had gotten heated, that he wasn't trying to start anything. He mentioned he'd just started a small transport and logistics business the week before, and that another arrest was the last thing he needed. Deputies weighed that. He'd de-escalated, cooperated, and given them a reason to believe him. So instead of taking him in, they let him go, while making clear he could have gone the other way just as easily. That's the contrast this whole video runs on. 2 people, roughly the same starting point, detained, frustrated, outnumbered by deputies, and 2 completely different endings, based entirely on what each of them chose to do next.
All right, grab your stuff out of there.
Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah, your phone. Go. Might want to answer that one.
So let me double check just in case.
Yeah. Here, I'll pull it up.
That's good. I see it.
All right.
Hey, hold on.
She, on the other hand, kept insisting deputies had no grounds to hold her, right up until the moment she'd given them the grounds herself, on camera, in her own words. She was placed under arrest and charged with resisting an officer without violence. In Florida, that's a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days in jail, up to a $500 fine. Not for the fight that got deputies called out here in the first place. For everything she did and said after they showed up. So let's grade this one out, starting with the deputies. They get a B+. They were outnumbered 5-1 in a genuinely chaotic scene. Multiple people talking, multiple accounts, and at least 2 subjects actively not complying at the same time. And they still slowed it down. They separated people. They read Miranda before asking a real question, and they made sure 2 kids had somewhere safe to go before anyone left in handcuffs. Under Terry versus Ohio, officers only need reasonable suspicion, not full proof, to briefly detain someone while they sort out what's going on. That's exactly the line they walked here, with almost everyone on scene at once. The one knock, with this many people yelling at the same time, it took longer than it probably needed to before anyone was actually talking instead of shouting over each other. Now she gets a D. She asked for a lawyer within 3 minutes of being detained and then talked for the next 20 anyway. Once Miranda was actually read to her, she waived it without a second of hesitation and used that moment to make 2 statements that directly contradicted each other. Resisting an officer without violence doesn't require throwing a punch. Refusing to comply with a lawful command is enough on its own. She demonstrated that herself more than once on camera. Her ex gets a B. He escalated first, tried to walk back into that house when he was told not to. But he caught himself, and he fixed it. He apologized to the sergeant instead of arguing with him, and he explained his situation instead of demanding anything. It's the entire reason he walked away from this call without a charge, instead of riding in the back of a patrol car right next to her. So here's the lesson worth taking from this one, and it's simpler than it sounds. Once you're detained, you can absolutely ask for a lawyer. That request by itself doesn't stop you from talking. Only silence does. She proved that the hard way, and he proved the alternative works. If you want more body cam breakdowns like this one, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Do you think she should have stayed quiet the whole time? We'll see you in the next one.